Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Kidde smoke and carbon monoxide combo. So if you're hearing a beep or a warning to change the battery, so we'll be doing that process in this, and let's go to step one. So step one will be to turn it anti-clockwise to open it from the wall plate. So if you turn it, now it will become loosened, and there is a wire connection, and that's the step two to remove it. So in step two, you have to remove this bracket from the unit. So if you see this here, there is a bracket or a clip that's holding the cables to it. So if you press that down, it will disengage your wire, or you can press it from this side and pull this your way and it will unclip it. In the next step, what we'll be doing is we'll be changing the battery. So once you remove the unit, you switch the side and you will see the battery compartment at the back. So then you open the battery cover here, and then you can remove the old batteries. So once the old batteries are removed, we'll be replacing it with the newer batteries. So in this one, just make sure you follow the sides where your charge goes. So if you see this is the positive, this will be the negative. In this one, this is the positive and this is the negative. So in the same way, we'll be inserting the batteries. So the first one is positive and negative this side. So this is same. So I will insert it. Then this one goes opposite. So once the batteries are installed, you close the cover, and now we'll be putting back the unit, and then we will test it. Once the new batteries are installed, now we'll be putting it back on the ceiling. So this is the wire connection, and this is the smoke. So you put this down and press it hard. Then the clip from the smoke detector and the clip from the wire will be connected. So this is properly installed. Now we'll be putting it back on the ceiling. So push these wires a little bit in. Once they are in, you have to twist this clockwise. So once it's properly clicked, it won't move more and it will be stable. So you can test it that it's stable. So once the unit is installed back to the ceiling, you will see this green light on the reset button or a test button. So this is very normal, but the very important step is to press and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds to interconnect all the units again. So when you do that, it will either give you one beep or the whole unit will interconnect, and it will the alarm will go off for 3 to 4 seconds. So I will press that button. So now that one beep means the system is interconnected and it's all good to go, and the light will stay solid. And thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel.